Hey everyone, Brandon Pollich here with Action Water Sports, here to talk to you a little bit about how to fix your windlass system on your Cobalt boats. I'm sitting here on an A29, but this does apply to all Cobalts with windlass systems, so let's jump in. First and foremost, the first thing we're gonna do is open up this bow compartment, which is gonna show us our windlass chain and clutch. Now, a lot of customers we have found are out on the water, their windlass system will no longer engage and therefore pull up the anchor from the water. It's a really easy fix that I'm here to show you today. All you're gonna do, you're gonna find this adjustment puck right up top here. What you're gonna do, left is obviously to loosen, but we're gonna take our palm, we're gonna stick it right down on there, and we're gonna turn to the right as hard as we can. When you do that, that tightens up the clutch and allows the chain to be pulled in by the windlass. Now, this is going to be a simple fix. You do have a specialized wrench with your owner's manual that you can really tighten this thing down. But again, this hand palm trick that we're doing here today is simply to get that anchor back up into the boat and allow you to get back to shore. If you have any more questions on this, please feel free to contact your Action Water Sports of Hudsonville and Traverse City.